James Webb Space Telescope is exquisitely tuned to look just at the end of the dark ages in the early universe where we had matter and energy, but no stars yet. They had to be made and then assemble into galaxies and have enough of these to make enough heavy elements to make planets, because planets have a lot of heavy elements in them and they're made in the centers of stars. That takes time. We are a second, third generation star system that made the sun. Now you keep trudging along. You'd say, well, when did life kick in? Life kicked in pretty quickly after Earth cooled down. Okay, take a few steps. You have evidence, earliest evidence of life on Earth, microbial life. How about life that looked interesting? How about anything such as that? Okay, well, you got to get down to the 4-yard line. Single-celled organisms become multi-celled organisms. They have legs and antennae and early versions of eyeballs, sensors of what is happening in their environment. That's at the 4-yard line. Well, when do we get to human civilization? How about just civilization? Now, how about, no, forget civilization. How about just troglodytes, cave dwellers? Where are they? Cave dwellers appeared at the near side of the thickness of a blade of grass at the 0-yard line. Then you keep going, and then you get Moses, remained of that. You get Moses, and then Jesus, and then Muhammad, and all of this in the last 1/3 to 1/10 in that range of the blade of grass that is at the end zone,
the goal line,
after you traveled the 100 yards to get there. The point of this exercise is to see what we are relative to the universe. And for those who say, oh, the universe was created just for us and all these stars are just for me, Mercury's in retrograde and Mercury is affecting my life. Really? Look at this universe. Look at how big it is. Look at how old it is. Look at how many stars are in it. Really? And so this transformation of a timeline into a distance line, I think, is one way to gain perspective on this.